Hey guys, Alyssa Risner here, and today I'm going to do the slime bath maker challenge. I'm watching Horror Henry YouTube videos, the go-kart, the perfect parrots. HFE stands for Horror Henry episode season 4 tonight. So I am going to do the challenge, starring my good friend, the one, the only, Ribbon. First thing you need is slime. First thing you need is slime in a toy bathtub. Now you put the slime in the bathtub, like so, like it's jam or something. And then you pick up your toy, whichever you like, and slowly put it in the tub. And after 5 seconds, you take it out. You take out the doll first. And then you take the slime out. If some of it gets stuck, you have to take it off too. Slowly. And you could just flatten it out, fold it, and put it away. And that's all. And that's how you do the slime in the toy bathtub challenge. If you like this video, please subscribe. And if you want to see more videos about slime like this one, please subscribe. I'll leave a like and a comment. And give a shout out to Madison Slusher, my friend from school. Leave a comment for her, and a like for her, and subscribe for her. Bye!